Hello, this is a recording for Sunday, February 1st. Today's practice is titled Catch Your Breath, and it's especially useful when worry or anxiety makes your breath short or shallow. Let's try this now, even if you are not in any anxious place, which I hope you are not. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out to begin with. Now again, we're going to manipulate the breath a little bit. And if it doesn't feel comfortable, just breathe regularly. It will be as beneficial as anything else. But let's give it a go. Take a breath in, and now exhale for a slow count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold your breath for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Let air rush in naturally back into your body. Once again, when you're ready, exhale slowly, everything out. Now for a count of 6, your counts. When you're ready, hold the breath, slowly count for 6. When you're done with that, release, let the air rush in, and exhale very slowly, emptying everything out for a count of 7. And when you're done with that, hold the breath, slowly counting for 7 again. Release. And continue in this way, finding your rhythm of counting. Continue until you catch a good breath, increasing the number of counts each time if it feels comfortable to increase, of course. Otherwise, stay with the count that feels good. As always, I'll be silent, giving you about a minute to explore that on your own. Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, As always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice when you notice that your worry, stress, or anxiousness makes your breath shallow or short. And as always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.